How you doing, sir? Alright, the reason I'm stopping you is because you pulled right out in front of us. Is there any legal reason you did that, or?
I stopped at the stop sign. My window was foggy, so if you was on the right, yeah, which where you came from, I must have missed you. But yeah, I put my blinkers on. I stopped at the stop sign, and I don't know why.
Okay, you got your license on your partner?
I don't have my license on. It's at my mama's house.
Alright, do me a favor, turn off your car. Okay, that's fine. Turn off the car. Hand me the key. Yeah, I'm just gonna set it up here until we run your information and get it from there. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
What's your name?
Tyrie, Tyrie.
Last name?
Cuyler, C-U-Y.
C-U-I?
C-U-Y.
Y?
L-E-R.
And spell your first name again?
Tyrie, Tyrie.
Date of birth?
399.
What's your social?
256-75-81-64.
Okay. Alright, is there anything in this card that we need to know about or worry about?
No, sir.
Alright. Mind stepping out since you're acting a little nervous and stuff?
I'm not acting nervous, sir.
Yeah, you acting a little nervous. You was hesitant on handing me the key and everything, so go ahead and step out the vehicle.
No, I was not, sir.
Do me a favor, step out the vehicle. Alright, I just want to make sure there's no weapons or anything. Do not be reaching in there, partner.
I'm not reaching, sir. Partner!
Do not be reaching in there.
I'm not reaching, sir. Partner!